In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage a table in a rich text module in HubSpot. Whether you're working on a website page, a landing page, a blog post, or a knowledge base article, inserting tables can help organize your content and make it more visually appealing and easier to understand. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward and effective process. First, head over to your HubSpot content. Depending on where you want to place your table, you'll navigate through the menu accordingly. If it's a website or landing page, select Website Pages or Landing Pages. For blog content, choose Blog, and if it's a knowledge base article, click on Service followed by Knowledge Base. Once you're in the right section, open the specific content item and click into the rich text module where you want to add the table. Now, let's insert the table. In the toolbar for the rich text module, locate the Insert drop-down menu. When you hover over Table, you'll see a grid appear. This grid allows you to visually select the number of rows and columns you need for your table. For instance, dragging across to a configuration like 3x4 will set you up with 3 columns and 4 rows. It's as simple as that, and you should now see your table appear in the text module. Once your table is set, you might find that it needs some resizing or restructuring. To resize your table, click and drag the blue corner handles to expand or shrink it to your liking. If you need to change the dimensions of specific rows or columns, simply drag their edges. Adding or removing rows and columns is straightforward too. Click inside any cell and use the plus option under Insert Cells to add more rows or columns exactly where you want them. Similarly, to remove any unwanted rows or columns, select a cell and use the option under Delete Cells. Next, let's move on to the styling options to give your table a polished look. By clicking anywhere inside the table, you can open the Table drop-down menu in the toolbar. Here, you can adjust the overall appearance with various options. You can set the width and height using percentage or pixel values and change the border color with basic colors or more specific RGB and hex values through the Advanced feature. You can also modify spacing by adjusting the padding around your table. Additionally, consider refining your table with options like border width, captions, and custom CSS to tailor it precisely to your brand's style. For more granular control, you can style individual cells within the table. Select one or multiple cells by clicking and dragging, then use the rich text toolbar to apply your styles. Options include changing the background color or border color and adjusting vertical alignment to the top, center, or bottom. You can also fine-tune border settings or resize specific cells. However, keep in mind that some cell styling features may not be available for knowledge base articles. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to inserting and customizing tables right in your HubSpot content. I hope you find these tips useful as you incorporate more organized and visually appealing tables into your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy table crafting!